Hi, I'm Sean Furminger. I'm standing here in ACE's studio at Microsoft in Redmond, Washington. This is the room where we create many of our great simulation ideas, including Microsoft Flight Simulator 10. Building high-fidelity simulation takes time and energy, but it's worth it in the end when you see how difficult it is to tell the difference between a simulation and the real thing, as you'll notice with our real-world environment. We saw when we released Flight Simulator 10, our customers and partners came to us and they said, can we use your technology to build a real-world simulation on top of it for our training products? So we did that with Microsoft ESP. In January of 2008, we released that version of the product. And we did that as a software platform so that our customers could create visual simulation products. Why don't we see how it all comes together? Follow me. This is David Henry. He's our audio director for the studio. David, tell us a little bit about how our audio comes together.
Well, one of the really cool things we can do with flight simulators is actually project the sounds much like you would project a spotlight. Sound can be located in a point and then pointing in a specific direction. Now let's turn it up loud here so you get the effect, but I'm going to put on my noise-canceling aviation headset and I'm going to turn around here. When we're in the front, it's a much higher pitched sound than it is when we're back here. And it's a lot of fun to do that and drive your neighbor just crazy at the same time.
Let's learn now about how some of the art comes together for Microsoft ESP. This is Dwayne Molitor, the art lead. Dwayne, what have you been up to?
A lot, so come on in. The first thing I want to show you is basically we have two basic skeletons, one per gender, male and female, and that'll come with Microsoft ESP as a default. When you have an environment as real and as varied and as big as ESP's world, you have to define your characters and you have to use good motion that is real. The characters can do a variety of things. They can answer their cell phone, they can open an umbrella, they can read a book. You're actually seeing our default character with our default rig running through its range of motion. So here we have a character going through the experience of jumping out of an airplane. He's cycling through, falling through the air. He's going to transition as his canopy opens up. You won't see the canopy. There it is. And then he'll hang from that canopy and he'll be able to guide his way to a landing. And this is what a harsh landing looks like. And there you have it. That's characters for Microsoft ESP.
We use a lot of data to create our product. Let's see how that data comes together. This is Travis Crowell, our geodatabase technician. Travis, what can you show us today?
Today I'm going to show you how we build content for Microsoft ESP. So what I have here is a proprietary in-house tool that basically allows us to take in terabytes of spatial data and edit them to create a seamless world. So using this, I can draw a rectangle by just dragging the mouse. So I'm going to say this is an office. This method of creating generic buildings was actually used to help update 24,000 plus airports for Flight Sim 10, which is a testament to how much of a fast-paced editing environment that this tool can be. I think Microsoft ESP is so cool because using the tools that are provided in the SDK, you can use your time and your imagination to create pretty much anything that exists in the real world.
With Microsoft ESP, we're excited about the chance to change the way organizations train and learn, make decisions, as well as the way they conduct their research and development, by making it easier and more affordable for them to create rich and immersive simulations. For more information, please visit microsoft.com/ESP.